So this is a video redo. The last video that I did about the fret bender saga continues. I got every company's freaking name wrong. So I'll tell you what. I'm gonna redo the video. What can I tell you? I'm in my mid-50s. I enjoyed the 80s, and the memory isn't always what it's supposed to be. So it helps me if I write things down. So like I stated, I had intentions on doing a shootout with a fret bender from PhiladelphiaLuthierTools.com, which I actually ended up ordering. It's on its way now. One from GuitarBuilderOnline.com, which I guess it's nicknamed the Bendinator or something like that. I've seen videos of that one. And the Stumac model, which is very similar to how this one's made. The bending wheels are spread quite far apart, and it's been my experience that between here and here does not get bent, because it starts, the fret starts bending right at the bottom of the drive wheel here. The Stumac fret bender is very similar to that, and if you go to their website and look at the picture, you can see that the fret coming out of their bender is not even bent at the end. Now they may be doing it the opposite way, but all the videos that I've seen of people using that bender, all the frets are straight at the end, and I want to gain as much bent fret as possible. I don't want to have to bend them by hand. It's not why you spend money for a tool, right? You don't go out and buy a power saw so you can cut all the way to the end of your board and stop an inch out and then hit it with a handsaw. So the one from GuitarBuilderOnline.com is out of stock. I emailed him and asked them when they would be back in stock, so I'm waiting to hear. We'll wait about a week. We'll see what's going to happen. I'm hoping to do a shootout between the one from PhiladelphiaLuthierTools.com. So I'm trying to get the names right, and the one from GuitarBuildersOnline.com. I want to do a shootout between the two of them because they're both kind of similar. Both of them have the wheels here really close together at the bottom, which should, in my reasoning, bend the fret, if not all the way to the end, extremely close to the end. So we're gonna wait and see what happens. Here's a picture of the one from Philadelphia Luthier Tools. Here's a picture of the one from GuitarBuilderOnline.com. And here's a picture of Stumac's, which I'm not going to even bother buying because I'm pretty sure I'd just be returning it anyway. So, hope I got everything right this time. And stay tuned, because I'll touch base once the benders start coming in. If I hear from Guitar Builder Online within the next couple of days or so, I'll hold off on the next video long enough to order one from them so we can do the shootout. Okay? Anyway, we'll see you in the next video. You guys behave yourself. Peace.